Our lasers are designed for precision cleaning, capable of stripping paint, rust, and years of grime without damaging the surface underneath. On brickwork, that means we can restore old walls back to their original look without using harsh chemicals or sandblasting. The process is fast, eco-friendly, and leaves no mess behind. It's technology that's already being used in industries like heritage restoration, automotive, and aerospace, and now we're bringing it to everyday jobs. So whether it's a backyard wall, a classic car, or heavy machinery, the laser does the hard work while you enjoy the results.